Hey guys, Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars. Today we're going to be checking out a 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. Now, this little bug came from the state of Washington, and before we got it, it was a one-owner car. A little old lady owned this car. Apparently, the story goes she bought it brand new and only drove to church on Sunday. You know the story. I don't know, that's what they said. And it's very well possible. This thing is so nice. The body, paint, and interior is just gorgeous. This thing has one of them automatic stick shift transmissions in it. And I'll be real honest with you. I thought the transmission was fucked in this thing when I got it. And I just drove this thing 15 minutes ago. And I'm like, I was talking to my chat GPT and I said, I think this thing's fucked. And anyway, come to find out, this little girl doesn't like to be manhandled. It likes to be played with gently, because if you try to manhandle the shifter and, you know, ramrod it like you would a 4-speed manual, it don't really like it. But if you're really gentle with it and only put your hand on the shifter when it needs to be put on the shifter, it's really just fine. Headliner, visors, back seat, everything's very, very nice and clean on this little car. All original. Odometer shows 90,000 miles. The underneath this car is absolutely gorgeous. I'll take some pictures. I'll put it on the rack here in just a little bit. Take some pictures of it and show you the bottom side of the car. I don't know if I've ever seen a little Volkswagen any cleaner than this underneath. I mean, it's super, super nice. And all original too underneath. So chrome bumpers are in nice shape. It's got a little bit of fine pitting on it. You can see that. I mean, kind of how it goes. Outside of that, the paint is gorgeous. All the glass is in great shape. Nice black steel wheels with the chrome caps. Just a cute little car. She's a baby doll. I like these older bugs better than the newer ones, but that's just me. Wipers work, horn works. Cute little car. Radio does work. I don't know if I can tune any stations in here, but owner's manual's in the glove box. I can say, what a cute little car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. We'll go out for a drive. Like I said, don't manhandle this bitch. She don't like it. That's so funny. Chat GPT says, well, I guess don't manhandle that little car. Oh, shit. Hey, it's Saturday. We can have a little bit of fun today, can we? I even had Chat GPT saying the F word and cussing and swearing with me, so that's pretty funny. Alright, so turn the lights off. Very gently, put it in low. This car, like I say, I just drove this car 15-20 minutes ago. This thing really goes down the road nice too. Just super tight, quiet. like me pulling out there like that, but he'll get used to it. Or he won't. Yeah, 60 mile an hour right down the highway, folks. Well, 55, almost 60. Like I said, it's a cute little car. Runs good. Just got to get used to that shifter. Don't manhandle it. Just shift it nice and don't put your hand on the shifter unless you need it on the shifter. She'll buzz right down the highway. I mean, we're going almost 70. Give us a call, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Brakes work good. She stops really good. This car here is, even if your wife can't drive a stick shift, she can drive this little thing. Hi, everybody. Everybody stares at this little bug. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hello. Body and paint are very nice. Say chrome bumpers are nice. Just a little bit of pitting on that back one. A little bit of pitting on this front one too. You can see just a little bit, a few spots. But what a gorgeous little car. 68 Volkswagen Beetle, West Coast car. Until just last week they dropped it off. Give us a call again, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. This car, I will have it advertised on my website here probably today or tomorrow. I'm going to get some undercarriage pictures. Turn them signals off. Get some undercarriage pictures of it as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I know I'm going to enjoy mine. I'm going to go pop a beer open and kick back and relax for just a minute. So give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Thanks for watching, everyone.